Hi everyone, welcome to this channel, and today we will be learning how to hide your profile on Facebook. This is Lucy and let's get to the video. So first step is to open your Facebook app and make sure you are logged in with your specific account. Now at the top right you will find this menu. Click on that and go to privacy and settings. From there go to settings. Now scroll down and find how people can find you and contact you. So it's usually under audience and visibility, and this is the only option you can change in order to hide your profile. So click on it, and what we're gonna do is change everything here to limited. So for example, there is who can send you friend requests. Change that from everyone to friends of friends. Save it. Now go back and go to the next option. You can see your friend list. Change that to only me. Now next we have people with your email address, like so who can find you by your email address. Save that to no one. People with your phone number, save that to no one. Now, do you want search engines outside Facebook to link your profile? Now, if you toggle this bar and turn it off, then anything else than Facebook will not be able to track your name or search. Anyone with your name cannot search you by your name outside Facebook. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.